Hello everyone, I'm Sam, the safety in charge of my factory. I want to share how we have transformed all our manual and time-consuming safety practices using THZ Safety App. As a safety in charge, I faced many challenges like real-time safety measure reporting, issuing 15 to 20 work permits per day, manual safety inspections of site and machines, time-consuming activity of safety training to old and new employees, and many more. It felt like a heavy load on my shoulders and with great investment of time, money, and company resources. But when we introduced the game-changing solution called THZ Safety App, things changed drastically. This advanced digital tool revolutionized the way we used to manage safety within our factory. I must say, it was worth giving a try. And you know what? The THZ Safety App exceeded all our expectations as it is incredibly easy to use. Now, within a few minutes, I can complete safety checklists of machine, factory premise, and report any safety observation, near miss and incident. I can generate more than 20 to 30 work permits in few minutes, assign safety training material to employees which could be accessed using mobile app from anywhere anytime, and so. The best part is that I could operate the app and perform my work even if there is no internet connectivity, as the app stores data in offline mode and syncs when internet is back. Everything is right at my fingertips, no matter where I am. By implementing the app, we have experienced so many benefits such as our efficiency increased, and we are able to ensure better compliance with safety regulations with add-ons like access of safety training materials to employees, digital and automated work permits, inspection of machines and equipment in seconds, and saying bye to old-school tedious practices. We believe in the power of the THZ Safety App. That's why I recommend you for a free trial or demo. Please reach out to us on info@technohertz.com or visit our website, www.technohertz.com.